Hi guys, just doing a quick little unboxing video. I would really like to apologize for the lack of uploads in the past month, as work has been absolutely crazy for me. And for this particular watch, it has been in my cart for a long time, and I finally decided to pull the trigger when I received notifications that it's on discounts. So well, here it goes. Quite excited because it's, I think, a piece that all watch enthusiasts should have once in their life. As you can see, it's a Gshock. Probably you'd know from the thumbnail of the video already. And it's a piece that I've always wanted, just never pulled the trigger on it. There you go, my first ever square Gshock. Well, first impressions, when I took it out of the box, I was actually quite surprised by how light this watch is. I actually had several Gshocks before, and what I have currently is the GA100, which does feel a little bit heavier than this, a little bit more substantial. But actually I'm not complaining, because I think it being this light would probably make it wear a lot more comfortable. The model of this version is the G5600E, which is basically the square, except that it has the tough solar version. It has the tough solar function. There's the other one, which is the GWM5610, which also has the multi-band 6, which is unfortunately not available here in my side of the world and in my country, Malaysia. So I actually prefer the aesthetics of the other version, the GWM5610, because it has the iconic red line which mirrors the first original square Gshock. But this would have to do because the other version is actually $20 more, and I don't think that it's worth it knowing that it's just basically an aesthetics difference. I bought this watch at about 67 US dollars, which includes shipping, and it was after a slight discount, which I think is quite reasonable. I have to say something a little bit strange here. When I took the watch out of the box, I actually noticed that I really enjoyed the smell. It gave off a very nice new watch smell, which is something akin to a new car smell, if you get what I mean. It's probably got to do with the resin band. I was actually introduced to Gshocks when I was 10 years old. I remember a friend of mine bringing it to school and boasting about how good and how tough the watch was. So a few of us started throwing the watch against the chalkboard, throwing it down from the second floor of school straight down to concrete on the first floor, and was just absolutely blown away that the watch still worked and actually didn't look too bad even after all that abuse. I guess that started my love journey with Gshocks, and always loved them since. Let's see how the watch looks on my wrist. Here is how it looks on my 5 3/4 inch wrist. It being one of the smaller Gshocks, I think it does fit my wrist better. The GA100 does look quite massive on my wrist. It does feel very comfortable. Again, it's just my first impression of it. As you can see, again, because of my smaller sized wrist, you get this overhang, but I'm kind of used to this by now. The strap itself, well, it feels like a standard Gshock rubber strap. Overall, I really do like it, and see you guys in my next video.